Hello, this is a demo of the integration between Duro and Epsilon3. The Duro and Epsilon3 integration is currently a one-way integration, which allows you to sync your Duro products and components into Epsilon3's builds module as Epsilon3 parts. Please contact your Epsilon3 customer success rep if you would like to enable this integration for your account. Enabling the integration should be pretty simple and involve minimal steps. Once the integration is enabled, you will see a webhook created in your Duro account under Integrations and webhooks. It'll be a webhook very similar to this one. The key things to look for here is the fact that this webhook is by default configured to fire on change order approvals. It is configured to trigger off of your live data or your production data. And the key piece here, it is enabled to include all components and products data that are part of the change order approval. And it is that piece that allows us to sync Duro products and components into Epsilon3 as parts data. With this webhook enabled, once the integration is enabled, we can quickly see the integration in action with a simple example. If I come to my components library here in Duro and go to a top-level assembly here, you'll notice this assembly has subcomponents, and some of those subcomponents have subcomponents of their own. So I'll go ahead and create a change order for this assembly to create a new revision. As I can see, this assembly is included here in this change order. I go ahead and submit this for approval. And once I approve this change order, now the webhook should have fired in the background and caused data to sync. So if I come over now to my Epsilon3 account, hit refresh here, I can see the assembly has come over into Epsilon3 with the sync. And then if I look at my assembly view, you can see all the components have also been carried over here into Epsilon3. So I hope this video was helpful. And again, please contact your Epsilon3 rep for more details.